Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon, United Kingdom, Ireland, New Zealand, Australia, United States. I'm coming live here from Philippines to address the ongoing case made by various media people regarding Princery, fraud, and embezzlement, mistaken identity, and identity theft. Because of this confusion, Prince Harry identity has been dragged to various accusations, such as the following. Number one, lying of US visa details allegedly applied by Prince Harry, submitted to Homeland Department of Homeland Security. Number two, bullying, misogyny, harassment, and etc. falsely accused by the Santibale current board chair, Dr. Sophie Chaundaka. To clarify this confusion, let me allow first to introduce myself. I am Beverly Roque, married to HRH Prince Henry Wales, aka Prince Harry of Wales, since August 2016. Our marriage certificate has been approved and issued by United Nations Military Department. Prince Harry's employer for the recent concluded military exile and military deployment in Afghanistan, covering the period 2015 to 2025. Prince Harry